Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can send feedback to CapCut PC. So for instance, you're having problems, some issues, and you need their help to solve it. Go to your homepage and select the feedback box here. Select the scenario. There's a lot you can choose from, but you can only choose one. Crash, lagging, kind of low material, project loss, etc., etc. A lot of people have the export failed one. You can describe the problem here, and when you scroll down you can try uploading screen recording to help them locate the problem quickly, and you can also upload the project. You're just then going to insert your email here, and then you're going to press submit. You can, I think, either see it in messages or in your email. If they do reach out back. I haven't actually tried the feedback bit right here, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!